Everyone, welcome to week 5 of your 7 weeks for quantitative reasoning. So this week we are finishing up unit 3 and you guys will have a unit 3 wrap up. This will be just like your last two where you have 2 attempts and it is timed. If you need to review between attempts, please let me know. We also have your mid-semester project due, and this again is a large project, a large portion of your grade, so please make sure you're reaching out to me if you need any help at all. I'll go over that again in just a minute. But again, 45% of your grade, so make sure you guys are getting that in and getting that in on time. For lessons, you guys are going to be doing 9A, 9C. There is no 9B. Then 10A and 11A, and that's what's going to finish off your Unit 3. You guys will then move on to Unit 4 with 13A and 13B. So I want to just review your mid-semester project real quick one last time. So again, this project is where you guys are taking your 20 participants, your question you're asking 20 participants, collecting a bunch of data, and you are going to be answering questions that are from units 1 and 2. You'll notice next week you guys are going to be doing an end of semester project, and that project you're going to use the same data, so make sure you guys are keeping that and keeping it organized, and that project is going to cover units 3 and 4. So I'll go over that in the next announcement, which will also cover week 6 and week 7. So please make sure you guys are working through this. Again, make sure you get it in on time. It's 45% of your grade, that category, and just go through, chip away at these, bunch of helpful little hints in here, and again, downloadable versions here. You can do a paper, PowerPoint, or video presentation. If you need any help using any of those, for instance, PowerPoint, if you've never made one before, just reach out and I'm more than happy to help you with that. So please do remember that work is due by Mondays at 11:59, so that way you guys have the weekends to chip away at them. You're always welcome to turn in stuff earlier than that, and I do try to keep up on those grades and get them back to you as soon as possible. So I hope you guys all have a great week. Please reach out if you need anything at all, especially in reference to your project or your wrap-ups.